Hey, Chris up here in El Dorado Hills with Reliable Home Improvement. We just finished replacing this double French entry door. I want to show you the system and the Trillium lock that comes with this door. Let's go take a look. Opens easy. Oh, that's okay. Beautiful sight. I like the glass.
Oh, I do too.
That's
We both
beautiful.
do,
Yeah. Nice lock set.
yeah. Yeah, that's a real nice door.
Trillium
They did a
lock.
great paint job too.
They do.
Best paint job I ever had.
Yeah.
It's one that I think is gonna last a long time.
Well, they warranty it for you.
How long?
On that paint job, it's 15 years.
Wow, it's excellent.
Yeah. And 2 different colors. And there's that Trillium lock system. 3 points there.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's a pretty good investment. I think it's worth it.
Absolutely.
Good selling point if you ever sell it.
Oh yeah. I mean, the thing is, this door, it feels much different than your old door.
Oh man, that flimsy thing.
Yeah.
You could have bumped up against it and opened it.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to work it to get that in. Well, you know, this is just part of the plan. We're worried about home invasions and stuff, you know?
Yeah, that's what we were talking about.
Yeah, that's going on. I can't imagine somebody breaking somebody's house and terrorizing.
Look how easy that opens.
Oh yeah.
And then when you close it, look how long that throw is.
I know.
That's impressive.
Ah.
Do that again. And it's not just at the top. Okay. It's at the bottom as well. Now the door is locked. And closing it, airtight. Energy Star rated door from ProVia.